Many people are still unsure about coconut oil, thinking it's bad for the heart or even poisonous, but that's based on false information. Coconut oil has been used by cultures for centuries without harm. In fact, studies show coconut oil raises HDL, the good cholesterol, while helping balance LDL, supporting overall heart health and healthy blood pressure. There are 3 main benefits of coconut oil. 1. Supports your brain. This natural oil is packed with MCTs, medium-chain triglycerides, which quickly convert into ketones, a clean fuel for the brain and body. Ketones boost mental clarity, sharpen memory, and support focus, making coconut oil a great brain-boosting superfood. Research even links it to improved cognitive function in people with Alzheimer's and dementia. 2. It's antibacterial. Coconut oil also strengthens immunity. Its unique fatty acids, caprylic, capric, and lauric acid, have powerful antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Lauric acid turns into monolaurin, a compound known to destroy harmful viruses and bacteria, supporting gut and immune health naturally. 3. Provides you more energy. For energy, coconut oil is unbeatable. Unlike other fats, MCTs don't require enzymes to digest. They're absorbed instantly, giving you quick, steady energy without sugar crashes. These healthy fats produce more ATP, the body's main energy currency, than carbohydrates, making it a perfect addition to a keto or low-carb diet. Regular use can also support weight loss, as MCTs help curb appetite and improve metabolism. In short, coconut oil is not a poison. It's a heart-healthy, brain-fueling, fat-burning powerhouse that's been nourishing humans for generations. Use it for cooking, smoothies, or coffee to boost energy, focus, and wellness naturally.